So today we're going to juice different recipes to try to figure out which is, first of all, the best tasting, and we're going to try to make it easier for you, hopefully, so that you can do some good juicing at home. Today we're going to hit the skin, so we want to do healthy skin today. We're also going to do others later on, but today we'll focus on the healthy skin, and we'll see where that goes. What we're going to try to do is some taste testing. You guys ready to taste test?
I already know nothing about juicing. I'm ready to taste them.
All right, so we're going to taste them. We'll try to tell you which one's the best one, and let's start.
Let's go on ahead and get started. That's
All
what
right,
we're waiting
let's
for.
do it. Okay, so we're done juicing, and so now we're going to do the taste testing part of it. We're going to take each individual one, talk about it, drink a little water, clean the palate, and then keep on going. And then we'll give you the result. You ready?
Let's get started.
Let's get started with one.
This is pretty good.
It's actually not that bad.
Man, this one's pretty
Well,
good.
this tastes like cucumber.
It tastes like cucumber
That's all it tastes like to me.
because the cucumber has so much water. But does that the tomato also?
The second one.
One is good.
Yeah, this is actually really good.
Damn, it's good. Okay,
Pretty good.
that's great. Do you want to score them? 1 to 10? Or 0 to 10?
Well, let's go on ahead and taste the next one.
What did we put in this again?
Oh, that's cucumber. That was
Celery.
Celery.
Banana, green banana, green apple.
A carrot.
Oh, carrot.
Carrots.
That's pretty good.
Yeah,
pretty
it's,
good.
I like it.
I didn't think it was gonna be that good.
Yeah.
Mm.
So,
Okay.
Doesn't look very appetizing, but tastes pretty good.
I mean,
I'm gonna give it a 8. Actually, not much room for improvement. But I'm gonna give it.
No,
an
I'll
8.
go with a 7. I think they'll be better.
I agree with 8.
All right, very good.
7.
I could definitely. Have
Okay,
Let's
let's
go
move
for
on to
number
number two.
more. Let me.
And of course,
Number
these,
2.
these
number
first
2.
two made a lot of juice, and so it's really good if you want a lot of juice. Okay, number 2.
Number 2 was tomato. A lot of tomato.
A lot of tomato, a little bit of clamato. It's not that bad.
Damn. After all, I changed my mind.
After number 1,
Yeah.
number 2 ain't that
This is not that good.
Mm. That's rough, dude.
Tomato, you could taste the tomato.
I've never tasted V8, but is this what V8 tastes like?
I've tasted
it
V8,
has a little
and
taste
it's
to it. A little
not-
bit of the
It
taste
tastes really tomatoey.
without the
tomato, yeah.
sodium.
okay.
It's gonna be a no.
I can't
That's
take
gonna
that
be a-
one. That's a 2.
From a 1 to 10, that's a no.
That's a I give it a 2. I mean it's okay, I think, but you have to develop that taste. I wouldn't drink that.
Yeah.
I'll go with a 5. I think it's halfway there.
Really?
Yeah.
5, dude. I give water
Damn.
a 5. Dude.
Water's neutral.
Ugh. Okay. Number 3. Now this one didn't make much juice at all. This one was very, very little.
So we each have like a little shot in here. So
It might be too much of a shot. We'll see how this goes. Oh, I like it.
it's pretty good.
The looks aren't
good.
very good.
The looks is bad. It doesn't make much juice, but wow, it's good.
Smells
What was
like
this one?
leaves.
This one had part spinach.
No,
Spinach.
Spinach.
Spinach. Yeah.
Spinach. Oh god, it's good.
It is good.
It was a 9.
I think it's an 8. I think it's tied with number 1. Number 1 was pretty good.
Yeah, 1 was good. 3 was good too.
It tastes like when you're a little kid and you eat grass. They tackle you and they
I love that.
Wait, you eat grass.
That one's just as good as number 1 for me. That's an 8.
1 and 3 are very, very good. 2 was not good.
I'll go with a 4.
A 4.
I got tackled a lot.
You ate too much grass in your lifetime. You ate too much grass.
Okay, that was good.
I happen to like the taste of grass. Freshly cut grass.
Yes, it's not bad.
Ready? This one looks good.
Number 4. This is all the fruits:
This one's strawberries,
strawberries,
blueberries.
blueberries,
This one looks
blackberries, and raspberries. Oh god, that's good.
Ready?
Can't wait.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty good. It's a little on the
Sweet.
sour side,
Mm.
I think. You think?
Mm.
I can drink this one easy.
This doesn't taste healthy.
It tastes too good to be healthy.
Yeah, it tastes like smoothie.
And it seems like if you were to freeze it a little,
Yeah.
and then ooh, this would be
If we
good.
freeze it, it'll be really, really good.
Yeah, maybe a little colder.
A little colder.
Give it a 6.
A 6.
6.
I'm gonna give it a
It's not bad.
God, 7.
So you guys
9.
do 9.
I liked it that way.
Okay.
Not grass, huh?
Not grass. Never tackled me in a cherry tree.
Oh, wait, there was no cherries in there.
Okay. Wow, that was really delicious.
So you like number
The 3.
3 the best?
God, I like 3 the best. I didn't think that was gonna happen.
I like 3 the least.
Well-
I like 4 the best.
I think we all agreed number 2 is out.
2 is out.
I mean, that's the worst one.
Well, 2 and 3 for me. 1 and 4 were okay.
2's a gunner.
And
Take that one out of there. Okay. I think,
You can get on to him. He'll drink it.
yeah, you liked it.
You know.
You can take it. But 1 was pretty good. I like 3 best, and 4 was the second for me.
1 and 3, my 2 favorites.
3 and 4 would be my favorites, actually.
I don't.
Even though I rated the both 7s,
I don't think any one compares to number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4 was way above.
That's good.
They're pretty good. They're
I'll take
pretty
this
good.
one. Okay, I'll take
the best?
So I like
I
4
like
the
3
best.
yes.
I'll take 1.
You like 4 the best? Alright. Alright.
Okay. Cheers, guys. To healthy
Good
skin
healthy skin.
Healthy skin and healthier other things, okay.
and healthier Robinhood accounts, please.
Alright. Thank you
After
for
that,
joining us for this one.
I'll take this one too.